In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a Wix template. Now, while Wix doesn't provide a straightforward reset button to revert your site to the original state of a chosen template, there are several effective methods you can use to achieve similar results. Whether you're aiming for a complete site overhaul or just want to wipe the slate clean, we've got you covered with different approaches to reset your Wix template to best suit your needs. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account and navigate to your site's dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage and edit your site. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Edit Site. This opens up the Wix editor, allowing you to make changes and adjustments to your website as needed. Next, head over to the Site menu at the top left corner, and from the drop-down, select Site History. This feature is incredibly useful as it keeps track of every change you've made to your site. Here, you'll be able to see all the revisions of your site. Simply hover over any of the versions available and click on the arrow next to it, then select Restore. This action will revert your site back to the selected version, essentially resetting it to that point in time. This can be a lifesaver if you want to roll back to a simpler or cleaner iteration of your site. If you're looking for another way to achieve a fresh start, you might consider manually deleting all the elements on the site. While this requires a little more effort, it leaves you with the same template devoid of any content, giving you the chance to start anew without altering the original template design. Alternatively, you can create a duplicate of your existing site. From here, you can remove specific elements you no longer require, allowing you to maintain part of the current setup alongside the same template, all without completely starting over. This approach is particularly useful if you have certain sections you want to preserve while modifying others. For those who desire a complete reset, including the template, head back to your dashboard. Click on the ellipsis located next to your site and choose Create New Site. This option allows you to either start with a blank site or select a brand new template entirely. It gives you the freedom to explore different styles or structures without any constraints from your previous setup. Each of these methods offers a distinct advantage depending on what you aim to achieve with your Wix site. Whether it's rolling back to a previous version, clearing out content while keeping the template, or starting from scratch with a fresh look, the choice is yours. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to reset your Wix template in no time.